Hey everyone, welcome to Alice's Kitchen. We are back again with a short, sweet, simple hack for a dessert or something that you can eat anytime if you go for a picnic or just to enjoy at home. So I've got here 2 ingredients and that's all I need. I've got my strawberries and I've got my chocolate. And I know what most of you are thinking. You're thinking I'm just going to dip my strawberries in the chocolate and then that's it. But no, that's not what I'm gonna do. What I'm actually going to do is I'm going to make some ice cubes using this little guy over here, and these are going to be made out of chocolate and strawberries. So I will show you how to do it. Rather than dipping my strawberry direct into the chocolate, what I'm going to do is I am going to fill these with the chocolate. So once I've done that, I'll get my strawberry and then I'm gonna put it in. And then once I've got my strawberries in there, I'm gonna add more chocolate. If you want, you can make your strawberries hidden. So if you want them to be hidden, you would need to cut the bottom off and make sure it's all submerged in the chocolate. But because I want to be able to pull out the strawberries, that's why I'm doing it this way and leaving the green part so I can pull out. So once I've filled the chocolate and the strawberries are sitting in, the next stage is to put this into the fridge, leave it for about 20 to 30 minutes or until the chocolate hardens. If you want to make it quick, you can put it in the freezer. I'm going to put mine in the fridge and then I'll be back to show you the result. So our strawberry ice cubes are ready. They're out of the fridge. I had to keep them in there for 2 days because I wanted to wait for the weekend for the boys to enjoy them. So you can see they are nice. You can actually think it's a little flower or a plant. So now I'm gonna get the boys to dig in and enjoy, and then they can tell you what they think. So my older boy is very excited because usually they are not allowed to eat lollies and chocolates. So this is a special treat. So TJ, grab one, bite and let me know what you think.
Good.
Are they good? Is today your best day ever because you're eating chocolate?
Yeah.
Alright, I will let him maybe have half before I take it away from him. And unfortunately the little one can't enjoy it, so he is having raspberries instead. Hope you enjoyed, have fun making these.